may have come to a ceasefire understanding with Pakistan, but forces continue to remain on high alert along the border, knowing the enemy state can't be trusted. Thanks Now Stetri is on the ground along LOC locations, bringing you reports on how our braves are keeping a close eye, a close watch on Pakistan's actions. They are ready for any mischief from across the border. Take a look at the report.
आज द्वंद है प्रचंड मेरी मुश्किलें अखंड, शक्ति क्षीण है विखंड, तदापि खुद पे है घमंड, करूंगा खंड खंड मैं तो दुश्मनों को आज भी. Currently we are present with the border security force, who are also known as the first line of defense. It is midnight right now, and Times Now is reporting just 400 meters away from the Pakistani post, along with the BSF, along with the team of BSF, the border security force, known as the first line of defense. They are the first wall. They are the ones who protect us from the international border. And as we mentioned, that patrolling midnight is definitely a big challenge, but still these jawans are on ground 24/7, keeping an eye on the movement of enemy. This is the Samba sector, which has been one of the most sensitive sector during the ceasefire violation post Operation Sindoor, because we have seen that how Pakistan tried cowardly attack, and especially on the civilians. Civilian area is also just few meters away from this particular location from where we are reporting right now. So now they have a double duty to attack the enemy and to defend our civilians as well. And that's what the border security force, the BSF, is known for. And we'll show you the visuals also on my right hand side. You can see that multiple layers of fencing has been done to avoid any kind of infiltration bid in this area, and we have been seeing to avoid any kind of infiltration in this area. And we have been seeing that how during Operation Sindoor as well there were attempts and all those infiltration bid were foiled by these BSF jawans who are armed with weapons. Any movement, and they are on alert. Not just the monitoring is done by the CCTV cameras, but by these jawans as well who are patrolling at the borders, because we have been seeing that how not just at LOC but international border was also one of the most critically affected area at the time of a ceasefire violation. But because of our BSF jawans, all the attempts of the attacks were thwarted. But still, the message is very much clear that Operation Sindoor is on, because our enemy can never ever be trusted. Not in 47, 48, not in 65, not in 71, not in 99, and not even in 2025 and the coming years as well. But one thing is very much common, that Pakistan was defeated and will always be defeated, but never learns a lesson that India teaches him. And that's why we are all on alert. Each and every individual in the security force is alert 24/7, monitoring the movement to give a reply to Pakistan. With Vijay Ram, this is Stetri for Times Now from Samba. We have reported and told you that how the war rooms work 24/7 at the border areas, be it the international border or the LOC. But how actually do they work at night? Today, Times Now is present in a war room in the midnight to show you that how the war rooms of the BSF work over here at, in fact, the border areas in the midnight. One by one, we'll be taking you to the TV screens over here that will highlight the pictures of the posts of Pakistan. Here you can see in the visuals that how there are several different sections of the pictures that are highlighting that where is Pakistan's post, where are the bunkers, where the movement could be. Since this is an international border, definitely this is a sensitive area. You can also see a fencing over here. Ramji, if you can show this particular TV screen, the first TV screen that you're watching on your television screen, the center picture, it also in fact highlights the time, the date, and also the fencing over here that in fact shows that it is separating the border of India and Pakistan. And we have been seeing that how multiple times Pakistan violated ceasefire, not just at the LOC but also at the international border as well. Here is the second picture. Here is the another screen that is also monitoring the movement, any movement of the of the vehicle, of the individual, of a person, or in fact the movement of an animal also will be observed in this particular, on this television screen. It will be noted down. They also have a register over here to note down the details so as to what movements are here, and then a signal is given if there is some kind of suspicious movement over here. As you can see that they are monitoring 24/7, and this war room played a very, very crucial role during Operation Sindoor, because minute to minute details were very much important, and we have seen that how Samba sector was also in fact under attack, but all the attacks were thwarted by Indian Air Defense System. And this is the war room, how it works like 24/7. That also is an eagle's eye for Pakistan.